Here's how you can edit the depletion level for all the blocks on the farm as a whole. Under Farms, right here under Queries, you go to Adjust Crop Depletion. When you click on that, you get this screen. Now let's just look at a block for starters. I go to Blocks, List, and I select a block like back aspen, and this icon right here is the crop coefficients, and I'm just opening that up to look at something. So we're in the northern hemisphere, we're in the month of October, but let's assume we wanted to change this value, depletion level of 40. Let's say we want to change that to 30, and we want to do that for the whole farm. So let's go back to the screen we were on. I'm just stepping back 2 screens. So we got to this point by going Farms, Queries, Adjust Crop Depletion. And I go down here, I select October, and by the way, we have different setups here. This is phenological stages, those are months, and there's even some weeks. So we have different things, and remember that only something with the word October will be affected. So we're saying if the label is October, if you find a value of 40, change it to 30. Okay, and if I hit this button, that'll apply to the entire file. So there we go, and you'll see up here it says it was successful and it changed 12 values. So we can go back to Blocks, List, and go down to the block we just affected, this one right here, back aspen. And when we look at this value here for October, the 40 became 30. Now, if there was the only block you were doing, you would click here and say recalculate water balance for this, because we've gone beyond September. October has already started. In this case, we're actually affecting all of the blocks. So here we go. We're going to go to irrigation, water balance calculation. And on this screen, I can select not only back aspen, but I can click here and select all the blocks. And I want to recalculate starting on October 1st. And this stays the same, and I am going to select. So it'll run its course, do the calculation for all of those blocks, and the refill line will now be not at 40, but at 30.